Best Embossing Machine Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular embossing machines in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this embossing tool so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this machine. The one that made our list is the Sizzix Big Shot Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. In this set, other than the machine itself, you will also receive an extended multi-purpose platform, a pair of standard cutting pads, a thin-lit die set, a Bix die, a textured impressions embossing folder and instruction booklet, and 12 pieces of 6x6 cardstock sheets. This machine is the ideal tool for a range of creative pursuits for everyone from the beginner to the expert. The opening is a generous A5 size, which allows you to create an ever-growing collection of designs with limitless possibilities for scrapbooking, paper crafting, quilting, and more. And this machine allows you to work with a whole range of materials, including paper, tissue, cork, and balsa wood. So to check out the full specs of the Sizzix Big Shot Die Cutting and Embossing Machine and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/diecutmachine. Here's a quick video of how easy it is to use this machine. So there you have it, the Sizzix Big Shot Die Cutting and Embossing Machine. Considering its ease of use, how comprehensive this set is, and the quality of the material, we feel that this machine is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Sizzix Big Shot Die Cutting and Embossing Machine and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/diecutmachine. Alright, thank you for watching.